a quiet and peaceful county way down in Tennessee. When Chitlin's are in season, where I long to be. Not famous for its farming, its mining, nor its still, but all that Chitlin cooking, yeah, down in the Chatham County. When it's Chitlin cooking time in Chatham County, I'll be courting in the Chatham County hills, and I get a Chatham County Chitlin cooker. I got a long and out of master Chitlin field. There's an art in Chitlin cooking, and all good Chitlin cooks must master it by practice, 'cause it ain't no down in book. Well, it's Chitlin cooking time in Chatham County. I'll be courting in the Chatham County hills, and I get a Chatham County